Hey, Steve from the All Electric family, and today we're here to check out Lightship's new RV. It is the L1, and this thing is beautiful. Let's get into it. You know we're here. We're covering this. We're trying to get a good glimpse at this. They're letting us look at everything. So I'm excited to share everything with you guys, and we'll see what you think.
The L1 has up to 300 miles of range and will have DC fast charging capabilities so you can charge your camper's battery on longer trips. It's 3 times more aerodynamic than a traditional trailer like an Airstream, which allows for a near zero loss when towing the L1. In drive mode, it has a height of 6 feet 9 inches and a length of 27 feet. It weighs in at 7,500 pounds fully loaded and starts at around $125,000, which is impressive considering the cost of a trailer such as an Airstream that's in the same ballpark but missing the 3 kilowatts of solar, up to 80 kilowatt hours of battery, and an electric drivetrain.
So currently they have it set up as a J1772 as the power source, and currently it is right behind the rear axle. That's where the 2 axles are compared to up there. They are potentially thinking of moving it up front into this box here. You can also, within here, you can actually charge your vehicle if you're towing it with an electric vehicle, and that's capable because of the 3,000 watts of solar that are on top of this thing, and it's built in. You can have access to an outlet, and currently the setup is a mini split. They're going to move more towards an automotive type of setup so they can kind of distribute the components elsewhere and then probably put some extra stuff in there. Everybody's asking about storage, and it does have some outside storage, and this will be, with the finished product, a pass-through in there, and so you're going to have ample space, just like a traditional RV. It's going to pass all the way through, and then up front here, this is where you'll have your water hookups. Here is the other side of the camper, and this is where that pass-through is going to be, in here. This is how they raise and lower it. You have the drive for that in there, and so that's how it goes up and down. There's a lot of stuff that is underneath here. I'll try to show you guys. They have batteries underneath there, and that's where the 80 kilowatt hours of usable battery pack. You can also see the drive unit. It's on the rear axle back there. It has fully developed suspension underneath here, so I'd imagine the ride is going to be very nice. Lots of electrical component boxes underneath here. This thing is just so beautiful underneath. Looks like you have a freshwater tank there. And if I remember correctly, in the rear is where you have the gray and the black tank. So yeah, there's the drive unit. I believe that's the gray water. And then over here, I'm assuming that's where the black water will end up being. This thing almost doesn't even look real. It's just crazy. So this back hatch, I guess, window opens up. And then, as you can tell, it's a mirror. So when you're in the bathroom back here, you'll have a huge mirror back there. So, and all these countertops are made from recycled plastics. It's just beautiful. The lines of this thing, you can really tell that it is automotive design first. It is just beautiful. Everything is seamless. You have these huge taillights, almost look like kind of Escalade-like taillights. It's just amazing. And then they also have a taillight up there. You just cannot ask for a more beautiful design here.
The Lightship L1's innovative design doesn't stop with the exterior features. The interior is purposeful, creative, and packs its own surprises. It can sleep up to 6 people and has unique storage solutions to deal with the problem of overhead storage that might be expected with its ability to raise and lower. They have also thought about privacy with so many windows, and the L1's windows can go from panoramic views to total privacy with the touch of a button.
So this is where the bed will actually pop up and make it into a
big full-length queen. Yeah.
So this will lower down, obviously automatically. Holy moly!
Come down and then back up. So it'll be your second bed.
Nice. Falcon wing doors on the Tesla don't have anything on this. That is amazing.
And then kitchen storage, so some storage here under the sink.
All the use of space.
So one drawer for the fridge, second door for the fridge, door freezer. That feels nice right now. Microwave. And then our favorite, drawer style dishwasher.
Nice. Then this is the induction top.
Yep, induction cooktop.
All this counter space here.
Chef's dream. So, and then storage for your utensils or whatever else you might want. Pots and pans. And then these are all flip-down storage units. So definitely modular. And then we also have our overhead storage. So customizable bags, you can fit whatever you want in. Everyone can have their own. It's also a modular system, so when you put a mount up there, you can mount a surfboard, fishing rods, whatever else you might want to kind of store and keep out of the way.
Nice. And then move around here, and here's the bathroom.
You got a bathroom, so doors off just to show it. But yeah, we've got toilet, sink, and then in here, overhead rain shower with the partition. So the window comes down, and it's actually a mirror. It's up right now. So it's your mirror with a light that runs all the way across. You can sort of see the lights from that angle. So then this keeps the space, makes the space feel very open as well because you have the mirror. Yeah. So this will come slide down.
And it's just a partition.
Yeah.
Shelby said no trash, so this will be where the trash actually goes.
Yeah, and then you can open it out here.
Nice.
And there's your first look at the Lightship L1. We want to know your thoughts in the comments. What do you love, and what do you hope Lightship changes before production? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and come back for our next video when we walk through the L1 with co-founder Ben Parker. And don't miss our live stream where we'll answer your questions about the L1 after Steve's hands-on look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.